more or less done. I'll tell you why. If you decided that I want to be in marketing and marketing of this particular product or this particular segment excites me, I want to be in technology, marketing of technology, I want to be in finance, I want to be in operations, I want to be in HR. And even in HR, what you want to, you need to have your dream job right in front of you, what you want to do in life. You need to assume that I will achieve that. That's my dream job, and you need to think, because there is no money which you are paying to think. So think big, think for your dream job, what you want to achieve. If you have a dream job there in your mind, then you need to work towards that dream job. So you have 2 complete years to achieve that. It's very simple, very easily you can achieve those dreams, what you will, dream. How you can do that is simple. If you have thought that I want to do finance in that particular segment, I want to work for a bank, multinational bank or international or Swiss bank, you need to think how I can generate my competitiveness, my capabilities, so that when I am meeting anybody, when I am through from this, either in summer internship or in final placement, when I am ready, I I am ready, equipped, and competitive to handle any questions which has been posed to me to handle that. And how you can do that? It's simple. So in these 2 years, you will have numerous projects, including CSR projects, including projects in finance, projects in marketing, operation research. You know, there are lot many projects you will be doing it, and also so many group discussion. One project you all need to do it for yourself. That's your dream project. So whatever you are doing is going to help you to achieve your dream project. And your dream project is, if my interest is that I want to work for these 4 organizations or these kind of environment, you need to create, you need to accumulate more and more, you need to read more and more about those organizations. You need to understand how those organizations function, how those organizations reach to this level at this point of time from where they had started. You also need to understand what are the competitive organizations, those who are competing with these organizations where you want to work. So you know the competition well in advance before somebody's interview, right? So you need to keep involve yourself, raising data, reading more and more about those organizations, and accumulate those information and keep reading regularly. Keep doing more projects and more projects, so that when some point of time when your summer is happening and somebody is asking you what you want to do, then you have a very clear answer. This is what I want to do. And then he'll say, how you want to do? Then you said, yes, I have a plan. Well, what's the plan? But this is what I know, and this is the space I want to work. And if you had really worked on those content, which you have done the research on all those areas where you want to be, believe you me, nobody would be in position not to listen and counter you, which is not fair. People will acknowledge your knowledge, people will appreciate your knowledge, and they would love to hire those guys. Those comes along with the knowledge which they, even today they hire a new guy as compared to you, any other guy. They need to train them. They will reach to that level of knowledge in next 6 months or 9 months time, when they are training them regularly. And you are a ready-made guy who is ready with the knowledge, who understand market, who understand the space, who understand the competitors, who understand what is marketplace and where you want to reach, So you have a clear objective. So my idea is, sharing these thought is, you need to be very focused. You need to decide where you want to work. Sometimes you feel it's a tough, then how I can, because today at this point of time, I am not aware what are the options in marketplace. No, you have reached to this level. At least at this point of time, you are a young crowd. India is so tech savvy. You guys are using smartphones. You are tech savvy guys. You information is available on net. Each and everything is available. Those days has gone when you need to read newspaper, collect manuals, journals, and then read those and update your knowledge. Now it's at a click of your mouse. You can just get any information on earth you want. I think you can get that. That's easy. So use that information. Be very clear what you want to do in life, and believe you me, if you have your objective clear and you are working towards that, run a project for these 2 years, that every month you will have a 4 or 5 serious research material on your this project. So you keep accumulating those thing, every month on month basis. If you will do it this in next 24 months till the time you are here, you will have a great understanding about your subject which you want to specialize, or where you want to start your life, and that is going to help you. That's a very very simple thing, but it's important uh, things to plan it at this point of time in your life. And I can assure you, if you will do this, you would not be probably dependent on any of the placement cell of a institute. Probably, people will be coming and asking that, I want to hire people from your institute, because I had interacted in different forum in summer training. When you'll go interact with people, they will feel good that these guys are really good guys. They are very clear what they want to do in life. They have a subject knowledge where they want to work. So they will come, rather than you need to chase people that to hire me. So people would be chasing, because each and every guy, every organization is looking for good people, those who have a knowledge, those who have skill set, those who are adaptive and very clear on their thoughts. I think, if you just do this, you will be there. So that's the basic thing I wanted to tell you. You can ask any of the question if you feel something related to this video, or related to my thoughts. So I would answer. I'll try to address those points. Yeah. Yes. Go ahead. What's your name? Yeah, Chirag. Yeah. Okay. You are a student here, right? Good question. Yeah. I thought you are from, Financial World magazine or something like this, but good. Yeah, I'll just answer, Chirag. See, first of all, just understand any brand which comes to India, you know, they have to come through the Indian partner. So the same way Alchemist is an Indian partner in Century 21 to bring that brand. So then 99.9% stake is because, operating company Century 21 Properties India Limited is 99% owned by Alchemist, because it's a subsidiary of Alchemist Realty. So that's the whole idea. That's all technical, but the broader point is, any brand which comes to in India, if you talk about any of the fashion brand, Guess, Tommy, or McDonald's, or Domino's, like Jubilant Food has Pizza Hut and Domino's. The same way, any brand which comes to India has to have a local partner. So say Alchemist is a local partner in Century 21. That's the way it is. I think that's all. Yeah. Anything anyone would like to ask? Uh, Question related to your career, your focus, what you want to do, how to do it, anything which has come to your mind. I think you need to have questions. Yeah? You don't have? Okay. So I'll ask, how many people want to become content writer? I just got one hand. Oh, second hand. So influence probably. Okay. So see, it's a different. So probably it's a profession which is very well regarded profession, and which required great expertise in terms of your knowledge, your communication, uh, your vocabulary, lot many things involved in this, and it's a very high paying job. You per page writing or number of words writing, you get paid on that. At this point of time in India, it's very highly regarded profession. But then probably, since you guys has not thought what exactly content writing is, why? Because when in a newspaper somebody is talking about content writing, you might be thinking that this is not relevant for you to read. So you cannot ignore in a newspaper any news which is here, which you feel that my interest is in marketing, but I should not read finance. You should read. You should also know what is happening in financial world. That give you advantage towards any of the guy to comprehend any of the situation, and you know and effectively address any of the issues which comes during your job. So content writing is something as a profession which probably you might not be knowing what is the profile of this guy is. So you need to understand. The similar way, if I'll say, what is the PR agency does? Anybody has an idea that PR agency does? No, public relations is it's a full form of PR. But what exactly it is? Can you just describe? Yeah, you can be little louder. Let everybody understand. They will also recognize you later on. Yeah. What's your good name? Rahul. Yeah, Rahul. I can hear you well. Yeah. Yes. Very right. 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 Very right, Rahul. I think you have a very fairly good idea. Very right. I'll just yeah. Good. I'll just explain it to you further what Rahul said. I mean, probably you could not manage to hear him well. See, public relation is one of the area where you use media and different medias, print, television, audio media, to communicate your company's vision, philosophy, plans, because everything you cannot do it using uh, paid ads. Paid ads can be for product, but for communication, what company wants to do in marketplace, what is company's plan, what how company reacts on some customer relationship, all those things you can only communicate when you are using a PR agency, and whenever any articles are coming, they are involving you in the process. So this is another nice profession which is there. So probably lot many people would not be knowing it, how this PR agency works. So my idea is, you need to understand different kind of jobs, those who are there. Probably when you will understand these are the job profile, you would love that. Yeah, this is exactly what I want to do in my life. But I was not aware that it is called PR. That's called PR agency, or it's called content writing. That's very important. You need to understand what kind of job, what is the content or KRA of that kind of job. And if you will understand, probably that's what your dream lies there and you want to achieve that. Right? So let's be very focused. Spare some time for yourself. Think over it what you want to do. Create a project for yourself in these 2 years. for yourself in the same line, and believe you me, when you will be out, you will be very successful in your life. All the best, and all the best, and thank you so much for your patience listening. Yeah, thank you.